Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are gonna learn how to change car's color in CarX Street. Whether you want a clean white build, a glossy black beast, or a wild neon drift machine, it only takes a few steps to change your car color in CarX Street. First of all, launch open your CarX Street game on your device, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and get to the styling shop. To get to the styling shop, open up your map, and then from the map page, look for this kind of an icon, this one over here, and this will take you to styling shop. Go ahead and get to the styling shop right there, and once you're in, tap on this little blue button popping up, and from here you can go ahead and change your paint job. Go to the paint job button at the bottom and select which area you want to paint the car or change the car color. I'm just going to select the car option and change the entire car color. Now from the bottom menu, choose a color you want to change to for your car, and just make sure to choose the right color of your choice. After finding the perfect color, click on the little shop icon on the bottom right with the price in it and tap on buy. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your car color. You can also go ahead and change your body of the car, front bumper, and other colors depending upon your choice. And that's how you can easily change your car color on CarX Street. All you need to do is to browse through the color palettes and preview them on your car instantly and purchase according to your preference. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.